For this video there was a challenge. Build a marble run from one floor down to the other in just one day. So join me now for the longest Hubelino marble track on this channel so far. Thinking this up, this didn't seem like such a hard thing to do, but when the day came, this staircase started to look very long indeed. 15 steps. I felt a little bit intimidated, and what had always seemed like a huge amount of Hubelino tracks and building bricks didn't look that much after all in the face of this giant. So I went and got just a little more bricks and tracks from a friend, facing this abyss. Like this poor little Hubelino track, I felt very alone. That is why I got some help from my great building team, Aaron and Miller, Josephine and Matilda. And together in just a couple of hours we managed to set up this wonderful marble run, connecting our second floor to our first floor in wonderful molded plastic in all colors of the rainbow. I was so excited. Thank you guys for helping me out with this. This would never have been possible without you. Look at this. And now let's throw a marble in. That worked out alright. If you care for this kind of information, it took the marble more or less 53 seconds to go from one floor to the other. And as you may have noticed, I have again included the 3D printed parts in this. If you want to know where those came from and how you can print those at home, please go to my video on the 3D printed Hubelino parts. And to show you guys all the great details of this track, I'm gonna give this a second run with some super close-ups and slow motion. really made it a marble run from one floor to the other, the longest Hubelino marble run on this channel to date. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel, and please remember, what goes up must come down here at Gravity Bytes.